Today we are going to solve one problem. We studied that flow through pipes. There are two losses, major losses and minor losses. This problem has both major losses and minor losses. So the problem will be determine the rate of flow. You have to find out the rate of flow, that is you know that Q, capital Q is the rate of flow or the charge. Through the pipe, diameter of 20 cm. You know that diameter is 20 cm. And length of the pipe is 50 meter. So this length of the pipe is 50 meter. This contained in the tank length will be 50 meters. When one end is of the pipe is connected to the tank and other end is open to the atmosphere, it is exposed to the atmosphere. So definitely it has to face the atmospheric pressure. Okay. Then it is open the pipe is horizontal. The height of the what is the tank is 4 meter above this tank. You see this is the center line. So this is the reference point. From here the surface will be 4 meter. Okay. So this is Z1. Okay. So now see here, this is the section 1-1. Here section 2-2. Okay. Now I am applying the Bernoulli's equation to section 1-1 and as well as section 2-2. So what is the Bernoulli's equation? You know that is V1 by rho g plus V1 by 2g plus Z1 equal to V2 by rho g plus V2 squared by 2z plus z2 plus all losses. It includes both major losses and minor losses. Okay. So you know that major losses due to Darcy's equation. They are applying after the Darcy's equation. That is HF equal to 4 Fn squared by 2gd. So minor losses in terms of the exit losses, obstructions, pipe fittings and other losses. Clear? So here see that section 1 the pressure relates to the atmosphere. So pressure get cancelled. Here also is facing that pressure. Okay, there and this also exposed to atmosphere. Pressure is cancelled. Here there is no velocity here. Okay, so it also get cancelled. So here what is the Z? Z will be 4 meter. Okay, so but we don't know the velocity here. So we have to keep this velocity v square by 2g plus all losses. So you know that already we talked about minor losses. There are several losses there. It's not with entrance losses. H entrance, HI. Then friction losses in the pipe here, this pipe, that is HF1. Clear? So only this will be the taken into the picture, other will be the cancel. Okay. Therefore, you see here that is a 4 equal to what is the formula for HI? HI will be 0.5 V square by 2G. Here V1 equal to V2. So therefore I am taking all as a V. There is no V1, V2. So I am keeping everything as a symbol V. Then what is the formula for the major losses? That is a 4 F L V square by 2G D. Okay. Here you know that length is 50 meter, velocity is something like velocity you have to find out. Okay, that's your find out. So here, so V square by 2G is common in the both all the places. I am taking out V square by 2G is taking out this 1 plus 0.5 plus 4 F L by D. Okay, diameter. Here. So now I am going to apply all. Here is a 4. Here V square by 2c equal to 1 plus 0.5 plus 4 into F, you know that 007. Okay, the length is 50 meter, diameter is 20 centimeter. So here you have to take into meter. So you have to convert into meter. 20 centimeters convert means divided by 100. Then the value is 0.2. Okay. So please take your calculator and finish this. So therefore 4 equal to V square by 2g. So I have to get the V equal to 2 into 4 into 2g divided by this value. In this value, then if you calculate this, you will get the value of is. Tell me, do the calculations. Tell me. Velocity equal to.
Sir, it's 2.734.
Yeah, good. That is
734 meter.
734 meter per second.
Yes.
So this unit is very important. Okay, keep it in mind. So always tell the values, don't tell unit values. You have to tell meter per second. So what's our determine? You have to determine the rate of flow or discharge. What is the formula for that? That is discharge equal to capital Q equal to area into velocity. So area, this 5 piece in circle diameter is 5 by 4 into d square into velocity. Okay, therefore 5 by 4 into 0.2. You know that diameter is 1 centimeter, right? It is 700 meters. The point square into velocity is 2.734. Good. Okay, then what will the discharge terminal one? Do the calculation, tell me.
0.0858.
Good, very good.
0858.
0.58 meter cube per second. It is called meter cube per second. This